Hey guys, this is my unboxing and review of the Donner Cajon box percussion instrument, and it comes with a nice carrying case, good for hauling, and it's about 12 inches by 12 and about 19 inches high, and it's just beautiful and hollow and solid and good for a big person like me. I got it for my little music room here, but it's great for all of your events. Now let's do a sound check. Well, that's my review, guys, and I hope this helps you. And if you're interested in this item, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.